To the First Lady, okay. He's handed it over to Mr. Kira. Mr. Kira in turn is... Mr. Vice President and our dear First Lady, the court says he would want to make a presentation to you. First Lady Ma, this is...
Beyond being ambassadors of this great nation in a place of excellence, you have once again reminded us of the promise of thought in a nation this diverse. This victory is what happens when we work together. You have not only brought home a trophy, you have brought home lessons for all of us. It is therefore an ultimate honor and pleasure on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR to welcome you to the State House, our formidable women's national basketball team, the Tigers. We are continental champions once more, and now the first African team to qualify for the 2026 FIBA Women's World Cup qualifying tournament. You have conquered Africa and opened the door to global greatness. Your emphatic victory over Mali with a final score of 78-64 is a declaration not only of your tactical superiority, but of your readiness to dazzle the world. And I assure you that you are going forth with the blessings and support of the entire nation. My dear daughters, you fought back from behind in the first quarter, not with panic, but with poise. You wore the green and white, not just as colors, but as a symbol of conviction and hope. And now, you wear this crown as Queens of African basketball for the 5th consecutive time. To Coach Wena Wakama, you represent the evolution of leadership in Nigerian sports. Your quiet strength and historic achievements have shattered ceilings and inspired countless young girls nationwide who now know that no dream is too bold for a Nigerian woman. Indeed, you deserve your award as the best coach in Africa and the world. To Ami Okonkwo, the tournament's most valuable player, and Eji Nyekalu, the top scorer in the final, your brilliance elevated the entire team. But most importantly, you do not play for yourselves. You played for and won with Nigeria. Let me take a moment to reflect on a greater truth. Nigerian women have never failed the nation in sport. From the Super Falcons standing tall on the world stage, to our athletes breaking record on the track, and Tigers building a basketball dynasty, our women have consistently made us proud. We have shown the world that when opportunity meets preparation, Nigerian excellence is inevitable. We owe you not just applause for decisive action. That is why, under this administration, we are repositioning sport as a key pillar of our national development strategy and economic drive. Sport is not merely entertainment, it is infrastructure, it is education, it is diplomacy, it It is a powerful tool for youth employment, economic transformation, and global engagement. On behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I want to extend special appreciation to the National Source Commission under the leadership of Malam Shehu Dika. The Commission's renewed focus on athlete welfare, institutional reform, grassroots support, and performance-based development is already yielding results. Let this be a signal that we are on the right path. I'm very proud of you. I also commend the Nigerian Basketball Federation, led by a former basketballer, Malam Ahmadu Musa Kida, who also serves as the chairman of the NNPC Limited, for his consistency in team development, strategic planning, and sacrifices for Nigeria's glory. Malam Ahmadu is personally known to me, and I have known the resources, his personal resources that he has invested in the development of basketball in this South region. Malam Musa, we are most grateful. I congratulate and honor you on behalf of the government and the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As a government, we will ensure that Tigers and their technical crew are adequately recognized and rewarded, as well as the leadership of Sporting Nigeria for their service to the nation. You have made us proud, and we will stand by you as you prepare for the global stage. To all our young people watching today, let the story of these Tigers remind you that greatness is a product of hard work, discipline, and belief. There is a video circulation of some middle-aged women that are being pushed to go to the football field. Nigeria belongs to those who dare to dream and are willing to give their best to make those dreams a reality. To the Tigers, you are champions. You are role models. You are pathfinders. You are true daughters of the land. It is my singular honor and pleasure and privilege to cherish forever to make the following pronouncements on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Am I allowed to continue? OON National Honors for Team. OON National Honors for Team, Coach, and Technical Team. $100,000 for each player. Over. Yeah, all the good is fun. $50,000 for coach and technical team this moment. And wait for the final icing on the cake. One flag is for players, coach, and technical team. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is leadership. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has shown leadership by recognizing and rewarding our daughters who have excelled on the continental stage. May God bless all. May God bless Nigerian sports. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you all.
Thank you so much.
Deep sense of pride and joy that I welcome home our fierce the Tigers national basketball team after your historic 5th consecutive victory at the FIBA Women's AfroBasket 2025. This victory is not just a win on the court, it is a resounding statement of hard work, excellence, and national pride. This is a moment that will forever inspire generations of Nigerian girls and women to dream big, boldly, and pursue greatness. It is a clear indication that hard work and teamwork is what it takes to succeed. I celebrate you not only as athletes, but as ambassadors of sports of a great nation. Your victory comes, you agree, baby? Your victory comes at a time when Nigeria is basking in the glory of sporting excellence, following the Super Falcon recent victory. And you see, we haven't really gotten over that, and then this one. But we are so glad we are able to also celebrate you as well. You have given us another reason to believe in the power of Nigerian women to break barriers and set new records. I say well done to you all. To the technical team, including Coach Rina Wakama, your leadership and tutelage has paid off, and I still owe you your bouquet. Okay? To all our remarkable players, your performance is highly commendable. You embody courage and commitment. I pray your journey in life continue to be filled with success and light on the path for many more victories to come. Once again, I say congratulations. But before I take my leave, I wanted to share the inspiring story of Dr. Sarah Goke, one of your players, who is a full-time surgeon. Where is she? Who got certified last year, and she also had a baby last year. Congratulations, and that's the baby. I know. And when I said the ambassadors of such, she quickly agreed. Congratulations. And you remember when we hosted you last year, myself and the wife of the vice president, you were such a very adorable team. And what really stood out for you was, you can see then both of us were just planning to host. We said we have to celebrate you. And that was after the Super Falcons. But you all showed up. And you see that you're showing up that time, you know. Gave you a seat at the table before Mr. President this time around. So I'm so happy and glad that you are here. God bless the wonderful the Tigers national basketball team. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Welcome home.
Thank you. This is it. A symbol of nationality, a symbol of pride, a symbol of collectivism, and of course, it is just what. Yes. Thank you so much, Mr. President. Thank you so much. Thank you. As we conclude this event,
Let's go to some
Congratulations, good to see you again a second time. And here is for you first. And then let's see the cup. Who is the second person coming?
Is the coach.
Are you new to the team? You didn't come, you were there. Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations.